How to replace a product on Amazon. This tutorial shows you how to request a product replacement on Amazon for your Android device. First, open the Amazon application on your Android device. Tap on the profile icon at the bottom navigation bar. Now, tap on Your Orders to see all your purchases. Find the order that has the product you want to replace. Tap on that order to open the order details page. Moving forward, look for Return or Replace Items button. Tap on Return or Replace Items. Select the item you want to replace by checking the box next to it. Choose Replace Item as the reason for return. Select why you're requesting a replacement, like defective, wrong item, or damaged. Afterwards, Amazon will show you replacement options if available. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete your replacement request. If you don't see a replace option, tap on Contact Seller or Customer Service. This will allow you to chat with Amazon support directly. Explain your issue to the support agent and request a replacement. They'll guide you through the replacement process and arrange shipping. Your replacement request will be processed and you'll receive tracking details via email. And that's it. If this tutorial helped you replace a product on Amazon, give it a like. Subscribe for more Amazon shopping tips and tap the bell icon for notifications. See you in the next one.